BCAAs are critical for muscle repair and growth. BCAAs are directly metabolized in the muscles and not in the liver. If you're on, say, Ozempic or semaglutide, BCAAs are a great choice because it does help preserve muscle tissue and it doesn't have to go through the liver to be processed. This particular formula also has 5 grams of glutamine, and I do recommend around 4 to 5 grams per day of glutamine for my patients who need to repair the lining of their gut. It also helps reduce bloating and also helps support healthy digestion.